Welcome to Mugda Magnus City, a dynamic realty brand in fastest growing city, Hyderabad. Hyderabad, founded over 400 years ago by the Qutub Shahi dynasty. Today, it's a bustling global hub thanks to visionary developments that began with the launch of High Tech City in 1998. This was a pivotal milestone that transformed Hyderabad into one of India's most dynamic IT destinations, attracting global technology giants. As Hyderabad's IT sector flourished, so did the demand for world-class housing and commercial spaces. The city expanded rapidly with game-changing infrastructure projects like the Outer Ring Road (ORR). In 2006, this 150-kilometer expressway made commuting seamless, connecting every corner of Hyderabad. Just 2 years later, in 2008, the new international airport at Shamshabad took flight. Also known as the bulk drug capital of India, Hyderabad has seen unprecedented industrial growth since 1977. The combined momentum of government initiatives and private sector investments continues to fuel the city's development and, naturally, the demand for real estate. To support this rapid growth, the government is developing the Regional Ring Road (RRR), a massive 300-kilometer infrastructure project that's set to reshape the city's future. With abundant land, a skilled workforce, Hyderabad's excellent weather, connectivity via road, rail and air, unbeatable lower cost of living, global cuisine, thriving entertainment industry, the region is fast becoming an investor's paradise. Hyderabad's transformation into a global investment hotspot makes this the perfect time to discover Mugda Magnus City, strategically located between the ORR and RRR, developed by Mugda Realty. With over a decade of trusted experience and has a track record of about 15 projects delivered, the group has a record of building advanced facilities ready to build your house plots. One of such project is just launched by Mugda Realty called Mugda Magnus City, which is thoughtfully planned near Shadnagar just before the Hyderabad-Bangalore highway toll gate. Let's look at the way to reach this city. From exit 16 of the ORR, and take Bengaluru Highway 44. In few minutes, you reach Muchintal, followed by Palamkhol. These places have junctions which can take you to Statue of Equality. A little before Timmapur, you come across the junction which takes you to Kanha Shantivanam, followed by Kothur Underpass towards Shadnagar. But we continue on the highway for the next few kilometers to reach an important junction which has Natco Pharma Industry and LV Prasad Eye Hospital. This junction also takes you to JP Dargah. On the way further, you will notice MSN Pharma Industry, an important turning point that reconnects you back onto the main highway. Driving onward, you enter the Shadnagar region, a rapidly developing zone strengthened by nearby localities such as Hajipalle, Kishan Nagar, Yelikatta, and followed by Solapur Junction, which merges the Shadnagar diversion to NH44. Little before the toll gate, take right at Chilakamari. In a couple of kilometers, you will pass Raikal village. Soon, you will reach famous temple gate of Rameshwaram. Take right here, and in the next few hundred meters, you will reach Mugda Magnus City. Very close to National Remote Sensing Center, NRSC, of Shadnagar. At the heart of opportunity and growth, Mugda Magnus City is your gateway to smart living and smarter investments.